One of the most common question I hear is, where do I start? So that's what I'm going to address in this lecture. I put analysis into two buckets, reactive and proactive. Reactive is all about issue resolution. This might even be the reporting that you're doing, and you have to provide analysis along with your reporting. It can go even deeper. This is a crisis mode. Your tracking just rolled out. You do not know if it's working fine or not. You'll need to conduct analysis to resolve that issue. Tracking might be broken. Bounce rate is up and down. Very common question. Our bounce rate is up. Our bounce rate is down. Conversion rate is down. That's where the real money comes in. That's what generally the end goal is. So you will be spending time to find out why it's down and what can you do to improve it. Campaigns are not working as expected. And many more questions that come up which are very unique to your business. You are acting in a reactive mode there. Something happened and now you have to go find why that happened and come up with a resolution. A lot of time is spent there. It's very unique to each business, and the knowledge you will gain in this course will help you track these issues in a timely fashion so that you can move on and spend time on proactive analysis. This is the exploratory kind of analysis. You're trying to help your organization move forward. You're helping stakeholders in various groups, such as digital strategy and UX. They need insights to help come up with the right strategy, come up with the right user experience. Campaign strategy, planning, and execution. All these phases need analysis from you. You have the data to empower them and tell them where they can expect better return for their investment. What kind of campaigns will work? Website design and development, e-commerce, all aspects of e-commerce, whether it's product selection, product placement, offers, pricing, etc. You can help them with that based on the data you are collecting in a tool like Google Analytics. The impact website has on the overall business and finance is huge. That's why your analysis can help executives come up with a better strategy for the company, as well as finance to figure out where to spend their money, which of the investments are working, which of the investments are not. Proactive analysis is where you will shine the most. Granted, you will be spending a lot of time doing reporting and reactive analysis, but anytime you get, that's what you should do. It's more of an exploration. In proactive analysis, you're not starting with a problem. You have an end goal in mind and you're exploring in the data and find out how to achieve that end goal. Those are your KPIs, the business objectives that we talked about. So for your analysis, think about the user path. User comes through one of these various channels, whether directly typing in the URL, coming from social, email, search, any campaign, or link, etc., maybe an app as well, to your site, and they use a device. It could be a mobile or desktop or tablet. They enter through a page, do some activity, maybe don't do any activity, and then leave. All these pieces of a user path are an opportunity for you to conduct analysis and provide your insights. Starts with user, who is coming to your site. This is available under audience reports. All the acquisition channels are available in acquisition reports. Then you have on-site behavior and conversion. Whenever you're conducting your analysis, keep your KPIs in mind because that's what you're trying to achieve. So all these various sections provide a ton of opportunity for you to dig deeper and find those insights. You can start from any angle, from user all the way to exit, keeping your KPIs in mind. You do not have to find very big insights. Incremental improvements that come out from your insights will lead to big impact over time in your organization. So that's what you should strive for. So rather than thinking, where should I start? Think about all these opportunities you have and dive in. The more you dive in, the more you will know what makes sense for your business to focus on.